Hi everyone, I'm Miss King. I am a teaching artist with Kids Smart and an arts coach as well. And today we're going to be reading by special permission of Disney Books, Hyperion Books, and the author himself, Leonardo the Terrible Monster. Now, this is by Mo Willems. You know how much I love Mo Willems if you know anything about me at all. This is a wonderful book, and at the end, I'm going to have some questions for you and maybe something to do. See you on the other side. Your pal Mo Willems presents Leonardo the Terrible Monster. Leonardo was a terrible monster. He couldn't scare anyone. He didn't have 1,642 teeth like Tony. Not all teeth shown. He wasn't big like Eleanor. And he wasn't just plain weird like Hector. Leonardo tried very hard to be scary, but he just wasn't. One day, Leonardo had an idea. He would find the most scaredy-cat kid in the whole world and scare the tuna salad out of him. Leonardo researched until he found the perfect candidate, Sam. Leonardo snuck up on the poor, unsuspecting boy, and the monster gave it all he had. Until the little boy cried. "Yes!" cheered Leonardo. "I did it! I finally scared the tuna salad out of someone!" "No, you didn't," snapped Sam. "Oh, yeah?" replied Leonardo. "And why are you crying?" "My mean big brother stole my action figure right out of my hands while I was still playing with it. And then he broke it on purpose. And it was my favorite toy, and I tried to fix it, but I couldn't, and I got so mad I kicked the table, and I stubbed my toe on the same foot that I hurt last month, and I accidentally slipped in the bathtub after I got soap in my eyes, trying to wash out the burnt boob that my brother's cockatoo pooped on my head, and I don't have any friends, and my tummy hurts." That's why. Then Leonardo made a very big decision. Instead of being a terrible monster, he would become a wonderful friend. "It's okay." But that didn't mean that he couldn't try to scare his friend every now and then. Boo! The end. I'm a terrible monster. I know. But you know what? I am a really good friend. I am. Here's what I would like you to do to be a really good friend. Just one little thing. The very first person you see, I want you to go up to them. You can sneak up, just like Leonardo did. Or you can just walk right up and tell them one thing that you really, really appreciate about them. And you know what'll happen? They'll get a whole gooey, yummy, caramel, vanilla chocolate, ice creamy feeling in their heart, because people love to hear wonderful things about themselves. And the way you can be a good friend is to always remind people what it is about them that you like the most. I will see you next time. Have a wonderful day.